Now, the construction of the county aggregation and industrial park in Githunguri, Kiambu County is 50% complete and is expected to start operations mid this year. Kiambu County Executive Committee member for Trade Susan Gatwiri is challenging area farmers to step up production ahead of the completion of the project. Gatwiri says the aggregation center will address market access and enhance manufacturing and agro-processing activities.
This project is entirely meant to be help to the farmers. What has been happening before is when you have your farm produce, we've had like brokers getting those produce, taking it to where the market is. So what you're telling the farmers is here at Waroyo Farm in Githunguri, we'll be having these farm produce come to this industrial park direct.
Tunaona kitatusaidia sana kwa sababu sisi kama mimi ni mkulima wa avocado, na avocado zetu tulikuwa tunahusia mabroka na broka anakununulia vile anataka.
Tumefurahia juu kukisemekana avocado yako utaileta direct hapa kwa Aggregation Center, hakutakuwa na broka.